Everyone may be in a situation where for some reason Snapchat just keeps automatically deleting the text or deleting Snapchats from your specific chat that you have with somebody. Now to fix this, essentially what you're going to have to do is you want to go ahead and make your way over to your Snapchat application and you want to go ahead and find the specific chat in which you want to go ahead and actually retain. So in this case, you can see I have several fans who message me all the time. So let's say with this person, John Boy, I want their chats to be there even when I go ahead and look at them later. So to do this, what you want to do is you want to hold down on our specific thing right here. Okay, here's a better example. I just sent one to myself. What you want to do is you want to hold down on that specific chat like this, and you'll see a few things that come up. But you'll see chat settings. All you want to do is you want to click on chat settings like this, and you'll see that it will have clear from chat feed, pin conversation, but delete chats as well. Now down here, it'll go ahead and say 24 hours after viewing. Essentially, if you don't want the chats to be deleted, what you can do is you can click here and you can see after viewing or 24 hours after viewing. What I would recommend doing is changing it to 24 hours after viewing, and that will make it so then if you see those chats and you don't want to, you forgot to save them or whatever, well, they'll go ahead and save them that way. Now, all you have to do here is click into these chats like this and save these chats by clicking those specific options here, because once they're gone, they're pretty much gone. So that is pretty much how to do it for the most part. That's probably the best way to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, help me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.